it's a great moment. You know, we've done really well lately in the Welsh Cup, and it's something that's really sort of at all the players really want to win, and you know, it's a very prestigious and historic cup, and we've played really well in the Welsh Cup. And obviously last season the Welsh Cup final was a very, very good game, and come back from 2-0 down to win 3-2 was a lot of drama. So there's always excitement. Lads have done absolutely fantastic. You know, I've said openly it's the best squad I've ever had. You know, and to come here and just go and play, really. There's been a lot of good clubs on it, and obviously Bang had a great combination of winning it 4 years in a row, I think it was, you know, and we want to be up there with them as well.
I don't think it's pressure, no. I think it's more excitement than we're feeling. Obviously we're favourites and expected to win, but most weeks we are, so we just approach it as a normal game, and you know, hopefully we can, you know, win, get the treble like we set out to do. You know, we set our goals early on. I think the main priority is the league, which is always going to be for us, and then after that it's this cup. I think we prepare, you know, exactly the same. I think a big thing for us is teams see us playing on the weekend, but they don't see what we do during the week, and I think that's where we do most of our hard work. When we do our training, we set out how teams are going to play against us, you know, the extra running sessions that we have to do, and things like that, which is get us to how we play on the weekends.
I've got a fantastic set of players, and if we go out there and play to even probably 95 to 99% how we can play, we'll beat anybody on any given day. 2 mid-Wales teams, you know, hopefully we'll get a big turnout, and that'll be another pat on the back for the FAW.